Starting around 07 walk 2024 Bitgert in a real sense is exchanging at $10.03 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 52% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Brise really has an in every practical sense complete market cap of 186 to 183 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $243 is 82, or so they for the most part thought. This generally makes Bitgert Brise positioning at 479 in the digital money market, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitgert be somewhat worth in 2024, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Bitgert a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Brise cost for the most part outperform its untouched high, or so they for the most part thought? These really are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which basically is very critical. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Brise cost explicitly is supposed to cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $in. The normal sort of least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $99. Besides, Brise can essentially arrive at an especially greatest value level of $1 before in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitgert value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Bitgert generally is supposed to be at around a very least of $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of $4 with the extremely normal cost of $4 in est. Bitgert value forecast April 2024. The cost of Bitgert most certainly is fundamentally anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2023 in April 2024, which is genuinely huge. The Brise cost could truly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $5 with the typical exchanging worth of $4 all through 2024, which certainly shows that Bitgert value forecast April 2024. The cost of Bitgert is explicitly anticipated to especially reach at a really least worth of $3 in April 2024 in a sort of large way. Bitgert Brise value expectation May 2024. The cost for Bitgert in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4 and $1.26, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $4, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation June 2024. The cost of Bitgert fundamentally is anticipated to for the most part reach at an extremely least worth of $4 in June 2024, which in a real sense is very huge. The Brise cost could especially arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $27 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $1.05 all through 2024 in an in every practical sense huge way. Bitgert value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Bitgert could truly stretch around $1, which especially is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in July 2024 sort of is $95 with a really normal cost of $6 or so they thought. Bitgert Brise value expectation August 2024. The cost for Bitgert in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $10.26 and $10, which truly shows that Bitgert Brise value expectation May 2024. The cost for Bitgert in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.64 and $0.26 in an unobtrusive manner. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1.27, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert value figure September 2024. The kind of normal cost of Bitgert Brise could go to $1.08 toward the finish off. September 2024, showing how might Brise value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they in every practical sense thought. Brise could basically be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $1.31 with the genuinely least expected cost of $10.27, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that the Brise cost could especially arrive at a most extreme worth of $27 with the typical exchanging worth of $5 all through 2024, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation October 2024. The cost of Bitgert certainly is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely least worth of $1,000 in October 2024. Especially further appearance how this makes Bitgert Brise by and large positioning at 479 in the cryptographic money market, which really is genuinely huge. The Brise cost could for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $32 with the very normal exchanging worth of $9 all through 2024 in a truly significant manner. Bitgert value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the really most extreme cost for Bitgert could in every practical sense stretch around $33, or so they in every practical sense thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2024 by and large is $9 with an extremely normal cost of $19 amazingly. Brise value estimate December 2024. The Bitgert figure for December 2024 expects that the Brise may in every practical sense arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $34 with an especially least cost of around $9, which sort of is very huge. Discussing the essentially normal value Brise can especially stretch around $10 for December in a really significant manner. Bitgert by and large past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been for the most part diminished by 93% in its kind of current worth, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we in every practical sense think about the sort of current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down, showing that starting around the 7 walk 2024 Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $9.23 in term of its iced rate with a value change of 52% in especially most recent 60 minutes. From most recent 7 days, the Brise sort of was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 24.9%. By and large further appearance how Bitgert genuinely passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been especially diminished by 0.93% in its by and large current worth, or so they sort of thought. Bitgert especially has shown extremely serious areas of strength for a potential of late, and this could be decent an open door to especially dive right in and contribute, or so they by and large thought. Bitgert value figure 2024 facts. What will basically be Bitgert genuinely worth in 2024 in a really significant manner. The Brise cost in every practical sense is gauged to basically arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $34 with by and large least cost of $9 toward the finish of 2024, which especially shows that assuming that we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap truly is likewise down, exhibiting that starting around the 7 walk 2024 Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $23 in term of its iced rate with a value change of 52% in certainly most recent 60 minutes. Does Bitgert generally have a future, or so they truly thought? As far as value, Bitgert in a real sense has an extraordinary kind of potential to basically arrive at new levels, which truly is